How to prepare for comprehensive Viva for final year students. So this is the time of the final year when all final year students are worried about their comprehensive Viva. After hectic major project and project reviews, students are now extremely nervous for their Viva because they would be asked random questions from any corner of their engineering books which are hardly touched. So in comprehensive Viva, they'll majorly ask from any subject. From second year to fourth year subjects, they might ask from any subject, any topic. So how you should deal with your comprehensive Viva? First one is syllabus. Most importantly, you need to be aware of the entire syllabus. Like you should know about what are the topics present at least. You should have rough idea on it. Be thorough with at least the content in that particular subject. If your examiner is kind and probably in a good mood, you could get away with simple questions like name any 8 units in your favorite subject. So you should know subject names, unit names, and what are the topics you like. So one time they might ask like these questions also. Be prepared for at least one subject and what are the units in it. And next one is research. So research about what could be the probable questions from units. Like in exams also they might ask for 2 marks questions. Such type of questions you might have idea. Basic questions. Prepare for it. Take feedback from your seniors or associate professors. Because you are new to it, you can ask anything about the comprehensive Viva. How would it be and what are the questions they might ask about how the pattern is going to be. Find out reference material for each subject. If you are asked to choose a subject and a topic from which you would be asked questions, be clever to answer the subjects and units you know perfectly. So prepare a handful of topics thoroughly. And next one is be thorough with basics. This is very much important. So in basics, most importantly, be thorough with your basics. Invariably, the examiners prefer to ask basic questions regarding their subject. For example, SI unit of force, definition of velocity, etc. Make a list of all the topics in the syllabus and prepare for all the relevant questions. Rather than complex theories, concentrate on basics. So you should not concentrate on theories or any proofs. No need of all that. That much deeply anyone won't ask. Just they'll ask you on basics. How much you know about your basics in your core subjects. Next one is study material. There will be many reference material available for comprehensive Viva. It covers the basic and standard objective questions. The best idea is to rely on your textbooks. You don't have to battle with apprehensions that you have left behind something. And most importantly, prepare well. Make sure you look presentable on the day. Please do like, share, and subscribe.